Both might taste good, but the one made with love has that extra special something. Section 4. The human touch. Why emotions matter in art. Emotions are messy, unpredictable, and totally unique to each of us. They're what make us human, and they're also what make art so powerful. When we create art, we pour our emotions into it, our joy, our pain, our hope, our fears. We connect with art that resonates with our own emotional experiences. It's like the artist is giving us a glimpse into their soul, and we're seeing a reflection of ourselves in their work. This is where AI stumbles. It can analyze data and mimic patterns, but it can't truly replicate the complexity and depth of human emotion. It's like AI can create a perfect replica of a flower, but it can't capture the way the flower makes you feel when you see it, smell it, and touch its delicate petals. This isn't to say that AI art can't be enjoyable or thought-provoking. It definitely can. But when it comes to truly moving us, to making us feel something deep in our core, human artists still reign supreme. Section 5. AI and artists, a powerful partnership. So does this mean AI is a threat to human artists? Not at all. In fact, it's quite the opposite. AI is becoming an incredible tool, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the art world. Think of it like this. The invention of the camera didn't replace painters. It gave them a new way to see the world and capture their vision. Similarly, AI isn't here to replace human creativity. It's here to enhance it, to take it to a whole new level. Imagine artists collaborating with AI to create mind-blowing installations, immersive virtual realities, and interactive performances that react to the audience's emotions in real time. With AI by their side, artists can break free from limitations and explore uncharted creative territories. It's about humans and machines working together, each bringing their unique strengths to the table, to create art that is both breathtaking and deeply moving. Section 6. The future of creativity, humans and AI together. The future of art is looking bright, folks. AI is not here to steal the show. It's here to share the stage and create something truly extraordinary. We're on the verge of a new renaissance, one where human creativity is amplified by the power of AI. We'll see new art forms emerge, blurring the lines between the real and the digital, the human and the artificial. This isn't about replacing human artists. It's about empowering them. It's about embracing the possibilities, pushing the boundaries, and creating art that is both thought-provoking and soul-stirring. So, let's embrace the future of creativity, a future where humans and AI collaborate to create a world filled with beauty, wonder, and endless possibilities.